Okay, today we are going to show you how to download the Metamask browser extension and how to custody your own assets and make a swap inside of your Metamask browser extension wallet. So currently today we are using Microsoft Edge. You just want to head over to metamask.io and download for whatever browser you're using. Brave works fine, Chrome works fine, and we're just adding this browser extension. So right now, okay. So we're going to agree to MetaMask terms, create a new wallet. We're just gonna do 1111111. Just doing 8 ones just for this. Okay, I understand. Create new wallet. Okay, so this is the important part. We need to write down our seed phrase, and we need to store it properly. Now, storing it properly means never having both. So let's say you break up your seed phrase into 2 parts. You never want to put both parts together wherever you're storing them, because if someone breaks in or you get them stolen, they have all the keys to put your wallet back together, and you don't want that. So I always recommend breaking it up into 2 pieces at least, and then separating them, and then putting them in a safety deposit box, a safe, you know, somewhere where you will not lose access to them. So this is going to give us our seed phrase right now, and I'm not going to have any assets in this, so I will show you how this works. So these are the 12 words. You need to write these down in order. Don't screenshot them. Don't put them on a computer. Don't take a picture with your phone. You don't want, you only want to write these down with a pen and paper. But for this video and for just to save time, I'm going to take a picture just so I can restore this really quickly. Okay, so let's assume that you have written down all these words. Now we're going to check and make sure that that we wrote them down properly. Ask. Okay, now we're good. We confirmed that we wrote down our seed phrase, which we really didn't. We took a picture of it for this demo video, but you wrote it down. And now, just to make sure, this is an extra step that I usually do. Is let's say we lose this computer and we need to restore our wallet, but we never actually restored the MetaMask yet. We're using our entire seed phrase. So to make sure that we know that we didn't mess anything up, before you load any kind of serious funds on a wallet, I recommend doing this. So we're going to remove it. Now MetaMask is gone. So we are going to re-download the extension, add the extension, and then we are going to restore. Okay, agree. We're going to import an existing wallet because we just made it. Okay, so now we're going to go through and enter the words. Okay. Okay, I did something wrong here. So let's just bear. Okay, I guess we can't watch them all. So the first one's hurry, pen, ask, key, industry, online, chicken, mention. I think I messed up poverty. Nope, poverty's right. That's one. Marble. I added a K. Marble. Okay, so now we know. So once this blue bar becomes blue, the gray bar becomes blue, we know that we entered a proper seed phrase. So now We're going to do the password again. So if you lose this password, you can always restore your wallet with your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is the most important part of this whole thing. Okay, so now we got it. So now we have MetaMask wallet. Here it is. There are no funds on here currently. What we're going to do is I'm just going to open up Coinbase and I'm going to transfer a little bit of ETH. And I'll show you how to do that. So let's assume you already have Ethereum on your Coinbase account. We're going to trade for ETH. Buy. Okay, we just bought $100 worth of Ethereum. Now we are going to send it out, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So this address here at the top is called your public key. This is your public address that is searchable on the blockchain, and this is how you identify your wallet address. So you don't have to copy this and mess anything up. You just hit account details, and we're going to open our Coinbase app. We're going to click on Ethereum, and then we're going to click on the little arrow on the top right to send it. Make sure you have the Ethereum network selected as the right network. I understand. And then in the Ethereum address or ENS, there's a little QR code box. You're just going to click that. It brings up your camera. Scan the QR code. Boom, right there. Continue. We're going to send $96 worth of ETH. Send now. And it's just verifying on Coinbase. 2FA. Okay, that's done. And it'll probably, since it's coming from a centralized exchange, it might take 30 seconds to a minute for this to show up. But we're going to show you how to buy USA. So this is USA. This is the chart. This is a 15-minute. We can look at the daily. Right here, we're trading at 69 cents right now. So this is USA is identified via a contract. So this is the contract for USA, and I'll put this contract address in the description of this video. So this is how you trade any token. You always need the contract, and that's how you're able to identify what the token is. So as soon as this ETH shows up, which should be any second, we'll show you how to do a swap. We're gonna go. We'll get ready though. Swap. Sure, we can enable smart swaps. So we're just going to select a token, and the ETH just showed up. I don't know if anybody saw that. So we're going to paste, and this just pasted the contract. Here it shows us that USA dead pres, that's what we want to buy. So now we just enter how much Ethereum that we want to buy worth of USA. So we're just going to buy 0.01. It's $25 worth. Or we'll do 0.05, just 12 bucks. So when you're trading this, you just have to hit this settings button. We need to do custom slippage. This is because there's a 3% tax on the token. So we're just going to go 3.5%, update it, and now it should give us a proper quote. So right here, so it's going to be about $7 in gas. 1 ETH will get us around 3,671 USA tokens. So we're going to swap. Preparing swap. Should be done any second here. And this is your MetaMask browser extension. So we can X this off as soon as this swap goes through, and then you don't, I don't typically use the whole browser version of MetaMask, I just use the extension. Okay, swap complete. So now you can see we have 0.0286 Ethereum, 17 USA tokens. And that's basically it. That's how you get USA, and it automatically, since we added the contract, it's right here in our wallets. So you can see we purchased 17.8 USA for 0.005 ETH. And that's it. So you just got to make sure that the seed phrase is the most important part. If you lose the seed phrase, you lose access to your funds. There's no customer support. There's nothing like that. So you can't stress enough. Don't, make sure you put it somewhere safe, split it up, and just know that if you lose it, you lose access to your funds, and that's not something you want to do. It's happened to me before, and it's not a great feeling. So just be super cautious and make sure you separate it properly. And that's it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, send me a message, drop a comment. That's it.